Today I'm going to show you how to fix opening cabinet door like this one. There are a few factors that can cause this. One is the floor is not level, or maybe the screws here are loose on the hinge are loose, or like this one, there is a shelf on the door. No brainer, there is a shelf on the cabinet door. That definitely going to keep the doors open all the time like that. In my case, I think it's all of the above, and then there is nothing I can do about the floor. But I'm going to tighten these screws here. Yeah, they are loose. This one is loose. Not that one. Okay, and I'm going to attempt to get rid of the shelf here. It seems it's screwed on, but it also has it's also glued on. So let's see how this will work. This shelf is here when we bought the house, so I think if the owner knows better, maybe it's a first time homeowner too. I think if the owner knows better, they probably wouldn't put a shelf on the cabinet door. I'm trying to stay. That one is not coming. So I might be careful myself on the camera. Okay. Oh, yeah, I guess it's not glued on. So it comes right. Okay, let's get this out of the way. My guess is this, even with these two measures, it still won't fix the problem. A little bit better, but it's still coming out here. See, it's still not completely closed, so it's not fixed yet. Okay. So that's what the next come to handy. All you need to fix this is a magnet, a rectangle magnet, earth magnet, binder clip, metal binder clip, and a command strap. The good thing about this, if you put it at the wrong spot, you can take off, put a new one again. So it's very easy to fix this. Just clip the binder clip on the shelf here, and then I don't know if you can see on the camera. Then squeeze on the two metal wire and then take that off. and screen on that. Take that off too. Get that out of the way. And then the next thing is make sure you put the magnet at the place that touches this thing, like that, actually like that. Yeah, perfect. So I'm going to eyeball using my finger to see where I'm going to put this stripe. So it's right here. Okay, it's right here. So this side is on the wall, so I'm going to take this off and put it right in the middle here. And then take the other side of the sticker off. Stick the magnet on here. I think I'm done. Let's just give a minute so the attraction between these two magnets, between the metal and the magnet, doesn't take it off the command stripe here. See, that's it. It's so easy. So now it's fixed. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, make sure you like, share, subscribe to my channel, or leave comments.